This 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 42LH Quad Slide, 1.5 baths is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features a tan, cream, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, self-contained, Skylight, stovetop burner, TV, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 42LH Quad Slide, 1.5 baths is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.